Hey, I'm just showing off this cool AI tool. So I've uploaded my financial bank statement. So you can see basically things are getting taken out of my account and things are getting added in whenever I finally get paid. So most of the time it's just food shopping or more food. But yeah. So with this tool, you can just ask it what you want to do to your data. So you can edit the data in here by asking it to do stuff, or you can just ask it straight away for things. So you can just say, show me the transactions. And then it'll just automatically give you a chart. But here you can see, oh, this is roughly when I'm getting paid, and all these negatives are when I'm spending stuff. So a better way to see it is kind of want to see your balance over time. So that's like the running total. So you could say a running total of the transactions. Well, there we go. So it automatically kind of added up everything along that column. So all of the times I'm spending, it's getting subtracted here. And you can kind of see I've got these bad habits where I'm spending quite a lot of money after I got paid, and then slowly comes crunch time, and then you get paid and you quickly spend it again, and then you're left kind of panicking before payday. So yeah, but the cool thing about these new AI tools is you can talk to them and they can talk back to you in their language. So instead of running total here, you can also say another word for that is cumulative sum. Time. Yeah, and I can do the same thing, but now it says cumulative sum here, and here it says running total. So you can talk to it in any language that you know how to speak, and you don't need to know all this complex code, spreadsheet formulas, anything like that. You can just easily ask questions and get answers.